Apple's iPhone 6 and its big brother the iPhone 6 Plus are the best-selling iPhone models of all time, with the iPhone 6 coming out ahead by approximately one-third. These iPhone models have broken sales records since their introduction in early November 2014, giving competitors another reason to work harder for smartphone supremacy. Barely 3 months after its release, the iPhone 6 generated 71.5 million unit sales, far outpacing its predecessor, the iPhone 5S, by 30%. The larger iPhone 6 Plus now accounts for 40% of all tablet-style smartphone sales and is the second best-selling iPhone of all time. Although the Cupertino, CA-based company tends not to break down iPhone sales figures by particular models, it estimated that as of June 2017, roughly 222.4 units of this generation have been sold. That compares with around 78.3 million units of its successor, the iPhone 7 and 7 Plus, to date. Like, share and subscribe.